Men are also overloaded with responsibilities, that they have to have a house before the age of 35, or they have to have a house before they make, a proposal to a woman. फाइनेंशियली सेटलमेंट होना चाहिए। और जहाँ पे 40 की एज आ जाती है तो दोनों को ये लगने लगता है कि नाउ वी आर ओल्ड, सो नाउ we have to be in our own world, earning money and just going ahead, wherein the intimacy part, which starts from marriage, is very very important. So when we do sexual counselings, the major blockage is the intimacy, wherein they don't have time to spend with each other, and the masculine roles are being played by the women. So woman is running in a rat race to prove herself that she is far better than men, which she's always, and she'll always be superior. There is no need to prove in that. That's what I feel. But then having a masculine part is good, but leaving the feminism part is bad. So being, having those feminist qualities, and I think it's a role of a male here to make the female partner feel beautiful, celebrate life, love herself, take care of herself. And that's where the feminism part will actually come out. And she will say yes, to everything, not just to physical intimacy, but to emotional intimacy, and getting mentally prepared for all these issues, the having a baby and having a smooth life ahead. And then the biological clock will not matter at that point of time.
Yes, women do have sexual desires, and they may or may not lessen with age. So we do come across women who are well into their 40s or into their 50s, and they do have sexual urges. And yes, a lack of intimacy between the partners does contribute a lot to not just to the stress, but also it strains the relationship to a certain extent. We see women coming to the OPD alone, and wherein we know that yes, the family also needs to be counseled to support her, especially the women who are going through perimenopausal or the menopausal issues. So they are anyways fighting with the changes, hormonal changes which are happening in their body. Their definition and their perspective of being a woman is being challenged, is being reshaped. It is being sort of remodeled completely. What they have associated with being a woman, looking beautiful, a good skin, a good hair, a certain kind of a body physique, everything is changing with age. Of course, aging happens both for men as well as women, but in women it hits them a little bit harder, because many women associate having regular periods and the capacity to be able to bear children. Whether or not they might be wanting to do that or not, that's a different issue. But they associate that with their femininity. It becomes their identity that yes, having regular periods and having regular cycles is what defines me as a woman, and that is. It's important for them to be having regular periods. So very often we come across women who are maybe late into their late 40s or maybe even 50s, and they are worried about that, doctor, I'm getting late periods, or my periods have kind of stopped. Do I need some medication for this? And then we have to counsel them that it's age. The menopause or perimenopause is bound to happen after a certain time, and you don't need to associate that with your individuality and with your identity. You are more than just a uterus and a regular menstrual cycle. Your well-being depends upon a lot of other issues also. So many times women, of course, it's also a result of the age which is happening. So they will be dealing with a lot of hypertension, diabetes, stress issues, hair fall, skin changes. And as the menopause approaches and the hormones decline, there is a lot of thinning of the skin which happens, the hair fall happens. They notice a lot of wrinkling, and so, of course, the changes of age on the face and overall in the body. And women who are balanced throughout their lives, who have sort of defined different roles for themselves, and who are well settled into those roles, they are able to deal with changes of menopause and perimenopause better. But sometimes there are women who are sort of very much focused on this thing that yes, regular cycles, looking good, pretty, and having a certain kind of skin or hair is very important. They are hit more with the changes of the menopause and perimenopause. And it is those women who are also getting hit harder by the lack of intimacy with the partner.